Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making veg fry recipe with ham. With the ham, I'm using food processor. Transfer to a bowl. Hot water. Salt half tablespoon. Turmeric half tablespoon. Mix. Keep aside for 5 minutes. Drain the extra water. Now it's ready to cook. In a pan, oil 2 tablespoon. Handful of curry leaves. Ham 150 grams. Spread evenly. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder half tablespoon. Mix everything. Cook on low heat for 5 minutes or until changes color. Coconut chili powder 1/4 tablespoon optional. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.